children, welcome back to my class. How are you all today? Yes, I hope you are doing well at home. So let's start today. Third worksheet, the Kite Festival. It is Uttarayan. Here Uttarayan is nothing but Makar Sankranti. Okay, Uttarayan, Uttarayan. It is Uttarayan. Nisha, Nisha, is excited, excited. Nisha is excited, nothing but very happy. She, is going, going. To, the beach, beach, to, fly, fly. She is going to the beach to fly the kite, kite, kite. Grant, ma, grandma. Gifted, gifted her on her birthday. Birthday, birthday. Grandma gifted her on her birthday. What did she gifted? Yes, kite to Nisha. Father, father, and mother. Father and mother. RALSO also. GOING, going. WITH, with. HER, her. Father and mother are also going with her. She, GETS, gets. DRESSED, dressed. QUICKLY, quickly. She gets dressed quickly. We have YOUU TAKEN, taken. YOUR, your. KITE, kite. Have you taken your kite? ASKS, asks. MOTHER, mother. Ask mother, have you taken your kite? She asked. YES, yes. Says NISHA, Nisha. Says Nisha, yes, I have taken. Father, mother, and Nisha walked. WALK, walk. TO2 THE, the BEACH, beach. They walked to the beach. LOOK, look in the sky. SKY, sky. THERE, there. ARER, MANY, many. DIFFERENT, different. KITS, kites. OF, off. ALL, all. The COLOURS, colors. Of the RAINBOW, rainbow. Look in the sky. There are many different kites of all colors of the rainbow. HOW, how? BEAUTIFUL, beautiful it looks. LOOKS, looks. How beautiful it looks. Says Nisha, NISHA, Nisha. At the beach, Nisha meets MEETS, meets HER, her. FRIEND, friend. Shahida, SHAHIDA, Shahida. At the beach, Nisha meets her friend Shahida. QUICK, quick. Get your kite ready. READY, ready. Says Shahida. Father and mother help. HELP, help. NISHA, Nisha with her kite. Who is helping here? Father and mother helping Nisha with her kite. Soon it is ready to fly. FLY, fly. Full stop. The kite is diamond shaped. DIAMOND, diamond. SHAPED, shaped. The kite is diamond shaped. It has a butterfly. BUTTERFLY, butterfly. Drawn. DRAW, and drawn on it. So the kite is diamond shaped and it is pink and blue. PINK, pink. ANDN, blue. Pink and blue. Wow, says everyone. EVERYONE, everyone. As Nisha's kite flies, FLIES, flies higher, HIGEHER, higher and higher into the sky. Now let us see. T for true and NT for not true. You have to write. First one, Uttarayan is Nisha's favorite festival. Yes, true. T you have to give. Second, Nisha is flying the kite she gave to Amma on her birthday. BIRTHDAY, birthday. Not true. Third, father, mother and Nisha are going to the beach. True. Fourth, the beach is empty when they reach. No, not true. Fifth, Nisha's kite has an eagle drawn on it. Not true. Sixth, Nisha's kite goes up high into the air. Yes, true. Seventh, Nisha's kite is square. No, it is rectangular, diamond shaped. So not true. NT. Eighth, there are many colorful kites in the sky. Yes, true. true. Then B bit, find the words from the text that mean the same. Very happy. Very happy is nothing but excited. E-X-C-I-T-E-D, excited. Second, not the same, nothing but different. D-I-F-F-E-R-E-N-T, different. Third, bought a present, nothing but gifted. G-I-F-T-E-D, gifted. Then comes grammar part. Take the correct words to complete these sentences. First one already he has done. This is dash bag, heavy, dash heavy bag. A or an? Yes, tick on A, a heavy bag. Second, I can see dash butterfly, B-U-T-T-E-R-F-L-Y, fly, butterfly, O-N, on, T-H-E-D, F-L-O-W-E-R, flower, T-H-E-R-E, there. I can see a butterfly on the flower there. Third, is this a hippo, H-I-P-P-O, hippo? No, it is an elephant, E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T, elephant. Fourth, can you bring me an onion, O-N-I-O-N, onion, from the kitchen, K-I-T-C-H-E-N, kitchen. Fifth, the sparrow, S-P-A-R-R-O-W, sparrow, lives in a nest, N-E-S-T, nest. Sixth one, do you want an orange, O-R-A-N-G-E, orange, or a banana, B-A-N-A-N-A, banana. Seventh, an old man is crossing, C-R-O-S-S-I-N-G, crossing the road, R-O-A-D, road. An old man is crossing the road. Eighth one, pick a card from the pack, P-A-C-K, pack, said the magician, M-A-G-I-C-I-A-N, magician. B bit, circle the correct words to complete the sentences. This, that, those and these we have to use, children. As we have seen the grammar video, so now you can easily say these answers. Dash is my uncle, nothing but this is my uncle. And dash is my aunt, that is my aunt. When one person comes, we have to use this or that. Okay? When more than one comes and when it is near, we have to use these. And when it is far and more than one, we have to use those. Those are my friends in the park over there. Third, these are my shoes. Those shoes are yours. Okay? Fourth, these are my toys. Those are Meeta's books. Fifth one, this is my classroom and that is my friend Manpreet. Sixth, that is our old house. Now vocabulary bit, complete these sentences with the opposites of the words in color. So the dash boy reaches up to the shoulder of the tall girl, nothing but short, opposite is tall. Second, the market is N-O-I-S-Y, noisy, but this street is quiet, Q-U-I-E-T, quiet. Third, Vani's answer was right, R-I-G-H-T, right, but Dinesh gave the wrong answer, W-R-O-N-G, wrong. Fourth, we can move the table if I pull, P-U-L-L, pull it, and you push it, P-U-S-H, push. Fifth one, after, A-F-T-E-R, after the storm, the garden did not look anything like it was before, B-E-F-O-R-E, before. B bit, complete these sentences with see, look or watch. First one, do not look, L-O-O-K, look directly at the sun. You have to write in a blank. Second, we shall dash a film this weekend. Watch, W-A-T-C-H, watch. Third, look how big that ship is, L-O-O-K, look. Fourth, can you dash anything in this fog? S-E-E-C, can you see anything in this fog? Fifth, mother will watch the race when I run, W-A-T-C-H, watch. Now spelling part, O-U or O-W you have to write. C-O-U-N-T, count, P-R-O-U-D, proud, E-Y-E-B-R-O-W, I row. T-R-O-U-S-E-R-S, trousers, S-O-U-T-H, south, B-R-O-W-N, brown, O-W-L, owl, A-L-L-O-W-L-O. Then comes writing part. Describe these things in a few sentences. Here are the helping words, so you have to use the correct one. The apple is a fruit. Now, it is red, sweet and juicy. Okay, J-U-I-C-Y, juicy. Next, it is good for health, F-O-R for H-E-A-L-T, H, health. Then, it has small seeds, S-E-E-D-S, seeds. It is used to make cake and jam. C-A-K cake, A-N-D and J-A-M jam. Okay, next is socks. Types of clothes we have to write now. So socks are a type of clothing. Second, they are made of cotton. C-O-T-T-O-N cotton. C, we wear them with shoes. S-H-O-E-S shoes. Then D, in winter they dash. K-E-E-P-S keeps. O-U-R-R F-E-E-T feet. W-A-R-M warm. Keeps our feet warm. We wear blue socks in school. B-L-U-E blue. S-O-C-K-S socks in S-C-H-O-O-L school. We wear blue socks in school. Okay. Well children, that's all for today. Write neatly. Take care. Bye-bye.